Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable Cortana to automatically run at startup in Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases your Cortana apps is not start up automatically. For example, whenever you restart your PC or whenever you try to turn on your PC or laptop, your Cortana apps is not enabled auto start up. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on automatic startup in Cortana apps. So in order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11, search this start menu, right click over on it, and then click here Task Manager. After click over Task Manager, you're going to find here Startup tab. Just choose it and then we're going to find here is the Cortana apps. Just choose it and make it here enabled. So from now, if I restart my PC or if I turn on my PC, automatically also Cortana going to be turned on with startup. So within this way, you can easily turn on Cortana automatically run at startup in Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.